Welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most impressive and reliable motorhomes in the category, built by a brand we all know and trust, Toyota. If you're someone who loves hitting the open road, exploring new places, or simply enjoying the freedom of traveling with your own home on wheels, this review is definitely for you. Let's start by checking out the exterior, because Toyota has really brought in a blend of style, strength, and functionality. Right from the outside, the Toyota motorhome grabs your attention with its clean, aerodynamic design. The body lines are smooth and modern, giving it a fresh, upscale look while still being practical for long-distance travel. The durable exterior shell is built to handle all kinds of weather, whether you're going through heavy rain, strong winds, or intense sunlight. The large front windshield allows for excellent visibility on the road, and the LED headlights give it a sharp and confident appearance at night. The side storage compartments are well placed, offering easy access to tools, camping gear, and other essentials without taking up space inside. The overall build quality feels strong, steady, and dependable, something Toyota is known for. Now let's step inside and explore the interior. Starting with the living room. As soon as you walk in, you're welcomed by a cozy, warm, and comfortable atmosphere. The living space is designed to feel like a real home, with soft seating, premium upholstery, and large windows that fill the room with natural light. There's plenty of room to relax, whether you're watching TV, spending time with family, or just taking a break after a long drive. The layout is open and smartly planned, making sure the space doesn't feel cramped even when you're traveling with multiple people. Moving toward the bedroom, Toyota has done a great job creating a peaceful and private resting area. The bed is spacious and comfortable, perfect for getting a good night's sleep on the road. The storage cabinets are thoughtfully positioned, giving you plenty of space to keep your clothes and personal items organized. Soft lighting, gentle colors, and good ventilation make the room feel relaxing, almost like a small hotel room on wheels. Now let's talk performance, because this motorhome is not just about looks and comfort. It runs on a strong and efficient Toyota engine that delivers smooth driving, solid power, and great fuel economy for its size. Whether you're driving on highways, hills, or uneven roads, the motorhome feels balanced and stable. The suspension is tuned to reduce bumps and vibrations, making long trips much more enjoyable. Toyota's advanced safety features, including lane assist, stability control, and multiple airbags, add an extra layer of confidence while you're traveling. And finally, when it comes to price, Toyota offers a competitive range depending on the model and features you choose. You're getting durability, comfort, performance, and the reliability of a world-famous brand. For many buyers, it's a solid long-term investment because Toyota motorhomes tend to hold their value and require less maintenance compared to others in the market. Thanks for watching this review. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorhome content and travel reviews coming your way.